Your living room is the heart of your home, a space where style meets comfort, and where every detail reflects your personality. It serves as a gathering place for family and friends, a sanctuary for relaxation, and a showcase for your personal style and preferences. In today's video, we're exploring stunning design and decorating ideas to help you elevate your home interior style to new heights. Whether you love modern minimalism with clean lines and a neutral palette, cozy textures that beckon you to sink in with soft furnishings, or timeless elegance showcased through classic furniture pieces and rich fabrics, these ideas will inspire you to create a living room you'll love to spend time in. Imagine a space where every piece of furniture, every decorative element, contributes to a cohesive look that speaks to who you are. From choosing the right color scheme to arranging your layout for optimal flow and functionality, we'll delve into tips that cater to diverse tastes while ensuring that your living room remains a reflection of your individuality. With the right approach, you can make your living room not just beautiful, but also inviting and comfortable, a true testament to your unique style. Choosing the right color palette. Microphone. The foundation of any well-designed living room starts with the perfect color palette. Neutral tones like soft grays, warm beiges, and crisp whites create a sophisticated and timeless look, providing a versatile backdrop that can accommodate various styles and decorative elements. These colors not only enhance the natural light in the room but also provide a sense of calm and tranquility, making the space more inviting. To truly personalize your living room and express your individuality, consider introducing bold accent colors. Deep navy evokes a sense of luxury, while emerald green brings in a refreshing touch reminiscent of nature. Warm terracotta can infuse the space with a cozy, earthy vibe. These vibrant colors can be incorporated through various elements such as furniture pieces, wall art, or decorative accessories like cushions and throws. When selecting your color scheme, it's also essential to consider color psychology. Colors can influence emotions and perceptions. For example, blues are known for their calming effects, while yellows can create a sense of cheerfulness. Therefore, think about the mood you want to create in your living room. Selecting the perfect furniture layout. Microphone. Your furniture arrangement plays a crucial role in both functionality and style. Begin by defining the focal point of the room, as this will set the tone for the entire space. A focal point can be a statement sofa that draws the eye, a stunning fireplace that adds warmth and character, or a stylish media unit that anchors your entertainment area. Once you have established your focal point, arrange your seating to foster conversation and interaction among guests, creating a welcoming environment. To enhance the effectiveness of your layout, maintain an open and inviting space. This can be achieved by leaving enough room between furniture pieces for easy movement and accessibility. Avoid overcrowding the area with too many items, which can lead to a cluttered appearance and hinder flow. Consider incorporating multifunctional furniture into your design. Pieces like nesting tables can provide additional surface area when needed, while ottomans with storage offer both seating and a hidden space for blankets, magazines, or other items. Sectional sofas are another excellent choice, as they can easily adapt to different configurations based on the size and shape of your room, allowing you to maximize both comfort and usability. A beautifully designed living room is all about layers. This concept revolves around the idea of creating a space that feels rich and inviting. Layering various textures is key to achieving this effect. Start with the foundation, plush rugs that not only provide comfort underfoot but also add warmth to the room. Consider using rugs with intricate patterns or varying pile heights to introduce visual interest. Next, delve into the world of cushions. Velvet cushions, with their soft sheen and luxurious feel, can inject a sense of opulence into your living room. Don't shy away from mixing different sizes, shapes, and colors. This will give your seating arrangement a casual yet curated look. Woven throws are another essential layering tool. They provide an additional textural element and can create a sense of coziness. Drape them over the back of a sofa or chair, or use them to accentuate a color palette within the room. To contrast the softness of fabrics, incorporate wooden accents, be it through furniture, shelving, or decorative pieces. The natural grain and warmth of wood can ground your design and provide a beautiful juxtaposition to the softer elements. 5. Styling with art and decor. Microphone personalize your living room with artwork, decorative accents, and statement pieces that reflect your unique taste and personality. Begin by selecting a color palette that resonates with your style, as this will set the tone for your decor choices. A well-curated gallery wall can be an expressive focal point. Consider mixing different frame styles, sizes, and types of artwork, such as prints, paintings, and photographs, to create a dynamic display that captivates the eye. Oversized artwork can also serve as a dramatic centerpiece. Be bold with your choice, as it can drastically transform the ambience of the room. In addition, incorporating sculptural decor, such as elegant sculptures, artistic bowls, or unique figurines, adds an element of sophistication and intrigue. These sculptural pieces should be chosen with care to ensure they harmonize with the surrounding decor. Select stylish vases that not only hold fresh or dried flowers but also stand out as individual art pieces. When it comes to your coffee tables and shelves, layering books, selected for both content and cover design, alongside tasteful candles can enhance the polished, designer-inspired look you desire. Bringing nature indoors with greenery. Microphone indoor plants breathe life into your living room, instantly elevating the space with freshness and vibrancy. The presence of lush greenery not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also improves air quality, creating a healthier indoor environment. Selecting the right plants can make a significant difference in the ambience of your home. Large potted plants, such as fiddle leaf figs or monstera, serve as striking focal points, adding height and drama to your decor. Their broad leaves bring a touch of the tropics, making them perfect for creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. On the other hand, small succulents or hanging planters offer a charming and delicate touch. Succulents, with their unique shapes and colors, are low maintenance and can thrive in various light conditions, making them ideal for busy lifestyles. Hanging planters, whether filled with trailing vines like pothos or string of pearls, draw the eye upwards, adding dimension to the space and creating a more dynamic visual. Statement lighting for ambience. Microphone lighting can transform the entire mood of your living room. It does more than just illuminate, it creates an atmosphere that can shift a space from ordinary to extraordinary. A mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting is essential for creating a balanced environment. Ambient lighting serves as the main source of light, which can be achieved through ceiling fixtures, recessed lighting, or wall sconces. This foundational layer is complemented by task lighting, designed for specific activities such as reading or working, typically provided by floor lamps, table lamps, or under-cabinet lights in a home office or kitchen. Accent lighting, on the other hand, focuses on drawing the eye to certain features or decor items, enhancing the overall aesthetic of the room. To make a bold statement, consider an eye-catching chandelier or a stylish pendant light as a focal point. These statement pieces can serve as conversation starters and create a sophisticated ambience. Moreover, integrating various sources of light allows for flexibility in how the room feels at different times of the day or for different occasions. Adding table lamps and floor lamps throughout the space not only provides additional light where needed but also contributes to a layered lighting effect. For example, a floor lamp next to a cozy chair creates a perfect reading nook, while accent lighting, such as LED strip lighting, can be strategically placed to highlight architectural features or artwork, adding depth and interest to your living room. Creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Microphone. Your living room should be a space that feels warm and inviting. The use of soft textiles like cotton or wool can greatly enhance the comfort of the space. Consider incorporating layered rugs, such as a larger jute rug as a base with a smaller, plush rug on top, to add depth and warmth to your flooring. Plush seating options like oversized sofas or cozy armchairs are essential for creating an inviting atmosphere. To elevate the ambience further, incorporate scented candles or a diffuser with calming fragrances like lavender, vanilla, or even sandalwood. These scents can create a soothing environment, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Additionally, think about adding personal touches that resonate with you, like framed photos or beloved art pieces. Cozy up the space with throw blankets draped over furniture or neatly folded in a decorative basket, alongside comfortable cushions in various textures and patterns that complement your color scheme. Create a true retreat for relaxation by ensuring there are multiple seating arrangements for gatherings, with low tables for snacks and drinks, encouraging a laid-back environment. Adding soft lighting, such as floor lamps or string lights, can also enhance the inviting feel, making your living room the perfect space to unwind or host friends and family. With the right design choices, your living room can become a true reflection of your unique personality and individual style. This space is often the heart of the home, where you gather with family, entertain friends, and create lasting memories. Whether your preference leans toward sleek modern aesthetics characterized by clean lines, minimal clutter, and a neutral palette, where you find solace in warm, cozy interiors filled with plush textures, rich colors, and inviting elements, there are countless decorating ideas at your disposal that can help you transform your space effortlessly.